something to share with you again. Check out those eggs. It is sitting right in the middle of this umbrella tree. Well, it's an umbrella and a palm tree just kind of grew together. But check it out. There is, how many eggs are there, Brayden?
12.
12 eggs my son and his cousin counted. Why is it blurry? Anyway, the hen just got off because the egg is warm, so she's probably gonna come back and sit on her eggs. But the wild chicken eggs are not. The eggs are just as big as the egg layers, I noticed. But pretty soon we're probably gonna have 12 little chicks running around. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. And then I found a little bird's nest. It was on the side of that same tree. It's amazing what these little birds make their nests out of. Like, this looks like the grass that my friend dropped off. Check it out. You see that grass right over there on the ground, all like dried up and stuff? It looks like the same grass. The birdies probably collected it and then made it, but there were no eggs or anything. It was already kind of hanging down. So, and then what's this green stuff?
Oh, it comes from the front.
It looks like some type of net or amazing. Hello everyone. I just wanted to share how much squash I just picked like 10 seconds ago. This is the round variety, and I thought I only had 2, and then I did some hunting and I found 2, 3, 5, but actually I got 6, but one of them I'm gonna keep for seed because it did get a little bit old. Because if the squash are like okra, if you don't keep up, they'll like grow by the hour or you know, something like that. But anyway, thanks for watching. Bye. Hello, good evening. This is Cheryl, and guess what I made, guys, for my ohana? I made homemade brownies. This brownies is made with macadamia nuts, and it smells yummy. My oldest son, actually all my kids, they love when I bake something good for them. They love their sweets. But anyway, I'm cutting them up and then I'm putting it in this pan. Look at how good they look. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to eat them. Anyway, see you tomorrow, guys. Aloha.